the man our creatives love to call Riggy G. Karibu sana to the stage, Your Excellency.
The President of the Republic of Kenya, the Cabinet Secretary is present, the dramatists who are here, the actors, the adjudicators, the content creators, directors and producers, good afternoon. I must confess that since President William Ruto and I ascended to the high office, we have never had such a beautiful moment of relaxing, enjoying, and generally sampling the best of our creation and the creative capacity of our young people. We've really enjoyed. I'm only worried that the president after this will say we go back kwa mambo ya uchumi after such a relaxation. Rais, nakuomba tafadhali mimi unipe ruhusa nipumzike kidogo. Kama wewe unataka kurudi kwa mambo ya uchumi, wewe uendelee kwa sababu umetumiza sana kwa hii mambo ya uchumi. Najua rais wetu, when he asked me to be his running mate, he never disclosed to me that once we are set to office, our lives will change. We will become economists when some of us are dramatists. Sasa ametupindua kutoka drama tumeingia kwa mambo ya uchumi. Kwa hivyo rais, kwa saa 8 hii wewe urudi kwa mambo ya uchumi, mimi unikubalie niende niangalie hii maneno ya art and creativity kwa sababu tumefurahia sana. Your Excellency, I want to say that I am very impressed by the quality of the productions that I've seen here this morning. And I don't want to comment about it as Deputy President or as regards Gachagua. I am myself a dramatist and a qualified adjudicator in my own right. I studied theater arts at the University of Nairobi, and I have a degree in theater arts, and I'm a qualified adjudicator. So, Chairman, next time you have drama festival and you need an adjudicator who is fair, a truthful adjudicator who cannot play corners, I'll be available if we can agree on the fees. Your Excellency, what we have seen here is very pleasing to us because the quality of the production has gone very high, and I really want to thank in a very special way the teachers, the producers, and the directors who have put time and commitment to produce such fine productions. I want to thank the teachers in charge of co-curricular activities for your commitment. Nobody can ever pay you for what you do. The hours that you put in these productions to see the kind of shows we have seen here is a phenomenon. So I want to really thank you. Or I want to urge the organizers. Next time the president invites you to State House, don't edit these productions. We have a few productions that were in Mombasa that are critical to our administration, that gives a very honest opinion of what they think is our performance so far. The president here doesn't want a praise and worship choir here. What he needs are people who have no malice, like these young people, who can do an audit on his performance so far and come up with choral verses, come up with mashairi, come up with plays that will help him to become a better leader because he's not an angel. I know in the past, the organizers have had a habit of editing some performances and leaving them out and saying, no, this cannot go to State House, we are likely to get in trouble. The man who occupies State House today is a man who wants to be enriched in his thinking. He wants people to give an honest opinion of his performance because that will help him to become a better leader. Sio tumekubaliana? Next time, let us have 2 or 3 performances. One on the finance bill and what you think about it. Because it is good, it will help the president. So, Your Excellency, drama and arts and the creative economy continues to be a social intervener in terms of shaping the way people behave and the way they think. It was through song, dance, and drama that young people were able to help the people of Kenya to deal with HIV and AIDS. There was a continuous narrative, continuous performances, until the people of Kenya appreciated the danger that was posed by HIV and AIDS. I want to urge our young people, the content creators, to continue having social interventions to help the Kenyan people. I was very pleased to see Matuga Gauss here present a presentation on drug abuse and the effects of drug abuse, which we are having a big problem at the coast. I want to invite more presentations on the issues of illicit brews and drug abuse so that we continue to educate our people and to create more awareness around them through performances. I was very pleased to see a dance on Cherono about the banditry and cattle rustling activities in the North Rift. Those are good social interventions for society, and I want to urge you to continue. Of course, the play of the day, The Eyes Have It by Riara, was a masterpiece. People must stop living in denial and be like Rigathi Gachagua, the truthful man. That play is a must for the Azimio Brigade. You need to perform that play to them so that they live with reality that the elections are over and William Ruto is the President of the Republic of Kenya. People must not continue living in denial. People must accept reality. They must accept circumstances and learn how to live with them. We want to urge them to accept reality and learn how to live and move on, because that is the reality. So, Your Excellency, we are very pleased, and this should happen more often, and we are very pleased and we are very relaxed, and I think by tomorrow we'll be better people as we continue to serve the people of this country. I want to request with humility all of you to be upstanding and help me to usher in the President of the Republic of Kenya. Mr. President.